So if you have aging parents, obviously, and they're having issues, and you want to see if light medicated THC will work for them, or CBD, whichever one you want to try. This is a good way to do it. It's just potatoes and onions. It's my dad's favorite thing to eat in the morning, and wasn't legal back then, but I would love to have been able to get 3 milligrams or maybe even up to 5, bring anxiety level down and everything, because he had breathing problems, and it was always a struggle. All right, how do you make infused salt? Foil, salt, about a tablespoon of alcohol tincture. Give it a good stir. Into the oven it goes. Okay, so there's your green salt right there. I'm gonna let this cool down. I'm gonna throw it in there. This is my salt right there. It's okay to put pepper on now. Make sure you spread it around. Wait on your medicinal salt until the end, otherwise it's gonna be left in the pan. Okay, so nice fried potatoes. The onions aren't burnt, but caramelized. Everything looks pretty good here. Okay, so when you're adding your salt, depending on the strength that you put on there, this is iodized salt that we used, obviously, and get a decent amount on there. You'll probably get about 3, maybe 5 milligrams if you made it a little stronger. To order my THC infused cookbook, look in the profile. There is a link right there.